Private video hosting. Hey there, Cham here, and this is episode 48. And today I'm going to show you the best solutions that you may want to use for private video hosting. And when we say private video hosting, we will already exclude YouTube from the list because, as you may know, YouTube is not designed for this. And YouTube is great for blogging purposes or for something that you may want to embed on your blogs, but it's not really designed for private video hosting, simply because your subscribers or your members can simply just click outside your membership site and they can just go out to YouTube and watch videos from there, which is not something that you want to happen. Also, as you may know, YouTube has done this update wherein they forced to show the channel image plus the logo and the video title on the embedded video. And so if you will embed your video on your page, and if you're using it for your landing page or sales page, for example, visually speaking, it's not so good. So it's not designed for these purposes. And so let's now exclude YouTube from the list. And two of the most popular solutions for private video hosting are Wistia and Vimeo. And let's talk about Wistia first. And Wistia is great, and they have this elegant looking video player. It's only that it's kind of pricey, and so for most small business owners and startups, it might not be something that you may want to use. And so let's talk about Vimeo as well. And Vimeo is great. In fact, it's what I'm personally using in most of my membership sites, but still it might not be for everyone, especially that it still has that monthly fees, and monthly fees are still monthly fees. And I do understand that not everyone wants to pay monthly for these purposes. Also, Vimeo is not actually initially designed for marketing purposes. Initially, it was designed for video artists like us, wherein you can upload your portfolio or animations or documentaries, movies, and the likes, but it's not really solely designed for marketing. Although recently they also implemented some features for marketing, and so it's still useful as well. And so if you're still looking for some other solutions, let me mention some as well. And you might be aware of Amazon S3 as well, although I don't really recommend that because in my experience, if you play the videos hosted on Amazon S3, the video is kind of slow, and aside from that, you might need an external video player that you still need to use for your videos to look better on websites. And so I don't really recommend Amazon S3. And there's also this new video hosting solution that was released a year ago or so called Vidello. And Vidello is great because it's really designed for marketing purposes. It's only that when I used it, I don't really like the way they conform the audio. The audio sounds not so good, and so I canceled my subscription. And so I don't know if they already improved that. I like the marketing features that they have, but I just don't like the audio conformation that they have. And today I also stumbled upon this new video hosting solution that you can acquire for one-time fee. And yep, you heard me right. You can get this for one-time fee, and you can use it for lifetime. But you need to join fast because they are only opening this promo for, I think, for 1 week or so. And this new video hosting solution is called Captiva. And so let me show you how it works. Alright, so as you can see, I'm now here in the members area of Captiva. And it's a product of .compile, so I guess that's the reason why it has that logo right there. But yep, this is Captiva, and this is how the dashboard looks like. And if you just first log into this one, it also has this walkthrough text that will be appearing right here, but I already disabled that. So let me now show you how you can upload videos here and optimize it and do some editing until you can be able to embed it to your website or share it to social media, or simply grab the link and show it to your clients or to your target audiences. And so for you to get started, you can go here to projects, or you can go here to campaign and then go here to projects. And as you can see, here's this test project that I just created. But let's create a new one by clicking here, new project. And let me now name this as demo. And for the description, let me just add a demo as well. and you can also upload a project image, but let me just leave that for now. Click create, and our demo is created. And for me to upload videos in this category or in this folder, let me just click manage, and as you can see here, I can add a new video. So let me just click this button right here, and then yep, I need to select the project, which is that one. Click add, and I have the option to upload from my PC or select from my drive, because earlier there's also this tab called drive wherein you can upload your videos right there already, but let me just upload from my PC for now. And because I'm currently working on video loops on Motion Ads 3.0, let's try to upload one of these. So let's try this one. Click open, and look at that. Can you see how fast it is? Of course, this depends on your internet connection, but it also relies on how fast the video hosting is. And so far, in most of my tests, I tried Wistia, Vimeo, and other solutions, and I can say Captiva is probably one of the fastest, video uploader and hosting service that I tried. So once it is done, once it reaches 100%, I can now click next. There we go, and here I can add my title and description and tags, just like what we do on YouTube and other hosting places, but let's just leave that for now. I can also select a category, and let's say I'm doing this for internet marketing. Let me just select that, and I can also do some other customizations right here. I can go here to player customize, so I can preview how the video looks like here, and I can choose from other player as well, like that. There we go, and as you can see, they have a bunch of players where you can choose from. There we go, and let's say I want that player, I'll just choose that. And here you also have the option to upload your own logo so that it will appear right there. Unfortunately, the current plan that I have does not have the option to do that. If I click here, it says I need to upgrade to use this feature. But if your plan has this option, you can upload your own logo, and you can even add a link to that logo. You can also change the color of the appearance. You can add player text, and you can also control these things on what things you want to appear for your video, like the video player, the play bar, control button, and all these things. But like I said, unfortunately, I don't have access to those features. But if you chose that plan where you can, customize these things, then you can control these things as well. So let me now click save and activate for now. But let me just go back and show you some other things that you can do. I can also go here to advertisements, and here what I can do is add some pop-up or email form or something like that. So let me just add a pop-up, for example, and then here I can select a segment. Let's say, for example, I already have some segments of audiences that I can target, which is kind of great as well. But for now, I don't have that, so let me just click all audiences. But in the future, because it also has this analytic feature, and you acquired some categories of audiences, you can select the certain category that you may want to choose here, wherein you want to show this video. And then here we can select an advertisement type. So we have pop-ups, video app, HTML, image, and text. Again, for my plan, I can only access pop-ups, so let me just choose that for now. And as you can see, they have various templates here as well, and I guess they also have some other categories, but let's try to play around with these things for now. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one, and let's say this video is all about health and fitness for women or something. So let's try this one, and here it opened this brand new window wherein I can customize this pop-up that I'll be using. So I can change the logo, of course. I can click here and change the image with my own logo. I can go to this text and change them as well. But let's say I'm good for now and I want to use that. Let me just save and next. And there we go. So let me now add a title. Let's just add pop-up for now, so we can preview how it looks like from here. In case I want to edit that, I can just click this edit button right here, And let's say I wanna make it appear at, I don't know, like 5 seconds or so. Click save, and there we go. I can preview how it looks like. So there we go. As you can see, it appeared at 5 seconds, just like how we set it up. So that's something that you can do under advertisements as well, which is kind of cool, right? And here you can also replace the video if you want, and this is a feature inside Wistia and Vimeo, wherein if you already uploaded this video, but let's say you did some editing and you don't want to keep on repeating on, you know, uploading and embedding it again to your websites and all that, what you can simply do is click here to replace the video, and it will update on those places where you embedded that video as well. There's also this SEO feature where you can add meta title, description, keywords, and focus keywords, and you can also have the option to enable robots meta no index or no follow, and this is great for SEO as well, and it's great that they have that feature inside Captiva. Finally, they also have this analytics script, and you can add some analytics tracking code like Google Analytics, third-party analytics, Facebook remarketing, and WebEngage tracking ID as well. And for now, I don't have to do that, but as you can see, if you're running some Facebook video ads or Google ads or something, you can add those scripts in this area. So there we go. And then once I'm done and happy with things, I can just save and activate. And here's now the link that I can copy and send to my clients, or you know, place on different social media, or I can simply click here and share them on social media as well. What I can also do is copy the link, and I can actually paste this on a URL, and as you can see, this video even auto-played. And as you may know, Google actually stopped that autoplay features for landing pages, but I like it that by using Captiva, you can override that and you have your video autoplay on a video page as well. So this is something that you can do, especially if you're creating a video for a client and you may just want them to review it first. So you can give this URL itself. They can add their comments here and they can rate it. And here you can also see the analytics of your video, the number of plays, and all these other things, whether they like or dislike and all that. And of course, we also have this embed code that you can copy and embed to your own website. So we have this standard or iframe embed codes. If you want to use the standard, you can use that, or if you may want to use the iframe, you can use that as well. It also has this fixed dimension. If you want to, you know, add your own standard dimension, you can add them here, or you can simply click fit to frame and it will automatically fit to the frame where you're embedding it. Although during my test earlier, it's not working well for this one on my website, so let's rather go here to fixed, and of course we can just add some dimensions that we may want to use here. I guess this is good for now for me, so let's just click copy code, and here's a page that I just created for this one. And because I'm using Thrive themes, let's just get that code element, paste it here, click save. As you can see, there it is. Click save, and then we can preview that, and there it is. As you can see, it's working well, and what I like about it is that it's even auto playing, and it's bypassing that, you know, update that Google did wherein you cannot autoplay your videos. So this is one thing that I really like about Captiva, because even Wistia and Vimeo were not able to bypass that, but Captiva has found a way to autoplay videos, which is really nice. So yep, so that's Captiva, and of course if you want, you can always center this, and of course I can just use Thrive themes to make this standard if I want, but as you can see, it's working well when embedded on a website as well. So yep, that's Captiva, and I highly recommend it. And so if you find this useful and you may want to use it as well, just click the button that you can see below this video, and that will be my affiliate link. And as always, if you grab this through my link, I will give you amazing bonuses that you can see below this video. So yep, thanks a lot for watching episode 48, and I look forward to seeing you using Captiva as well. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jam, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.